Hello and welcome to My Gal the Zombie FX. Thanks for stopping by. Today we will tackle the Snow Fairy. With the winter weather waning, let us send it off in glam style with this chilly creation. So perk up your ears, pile up your petals, and let's get fairy fabulous. Beginning with aggressively gelled hair and a clean face. Apply the bald cap. Apply adhesive along the forehead and glue down the front of the cap. Afterwards, you'll glue and secure the back of the cap. Once the front and back are secure, you can outline your ears with about a ½ inch leeway for gluing it down. Very carefully cut out space for your ears. Don't go all Van Gogh on yourself. Once the ears are cut, finish gluing the cap all around. Using latex, I am blending the edge of the bald cap. I did use a bit too much on this one corner, but it'll be mostly covered in the end, so no worries. I also applied latex to the bald cap with a sponge to give it some texture. Using the adhesive to attach the large elf ears. Once everything is attached, it's time to put down the base color using a white body paint. It's super creepy. For the eyeshadow, I focused on three main colors, a light, medium, and dark blue, starting with the lighter color first and going darker before blending it like crazy. I wanted a soft cat eye shape, so I'm focusing on the crease with a straight soft brush and angling it out. I'm bringing the shadow from the inner eye down into the nose contour. I'm using the darkest blue to make the line a little sharper, but I will still blend that out a ton. I'm using the light blue to add more shading around the eye and side of the nose, and to start filling in the eyebrow. Going from light to dark blue, I filled in the rest of the brows with a straight edge brush. I wanted the fairy to have a cute button nose, so I added a faux ridge to my nose. Using a cream white paint, I added highlight to the eyelid. To get an icy texture color, I used a wire sponge with a shiny metallic blue body paint and added it to the scalp, around the ears, arms, and as a cheek contour. Time for the petal party! Add the petals with adhesive and try to mix up the colors to break it up and help the design flow like water. I added darker petals on top of lighter ones to hide any glue that showed through the lighter ones. I took a moment to add some shadow under my chin. You want to add shadows to white makeup especially, or your features can get really easily lost and you look like a person with no chin. After the petals are placed, it's time for pretty pearls. I had 2 different sizes and used adhesive, a pair of tweezers, and a titch of patience. I had the perfect colored lip crayon, but then it broke when I tried to sharpen it because the universe is cruel. So I'm applying it with just the tiny inner stick of color. That's why it looks weird. I wanted to do a doll-like, not quite human lip shape, so I kept the top more rounded. Adding in some winter-worthy baby's breath. Finishing ear touches. And back to our best friend, the adhesive. Don't worry, it comes out pretty easily with soap and water, so I won't end up ripping all the hair out. Using coarse salt, I add crystal prettiness to my eyebrows. Eyeball transformation! After After the contacts are in, I can finish off the eye makeup. I added silver glitter to the lid and cleaned up the crease. I'm adding some big false lashes that I painted with white body paint and added some lower side lashes with the blue body paint and a thin brush. Very carefully, I added a small amount of adhesive to the lashes and stuck on salt crystals. Don't glue your eyes together, it's not fun. Blended some cream white to the center of the lips and set with a sparkly white eyeshadow before applying adhesive and salt crystals to finish them off. I used a set of false pointed nails and painted them blue after finishing the white paint on my hand. And there you have it! So much of the gluing! But I hope you love this whimsical look as much as I do. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thanks again, and remember, there's always a place under my bed just for you.